Hello students, welcome back to the online class of Semstar Global School. Myself Pratima Singh, and today we are going to start the revision of chapter 3 of history, that is the seeds of a revolution. This is the first part of the revision. We will do the revision in two parts of the videos. So let's start our revision with the first topic, that is the Neolithic age. So we have already studied about the Neolithic age. Now we will just do the revision. Neolithic age was the last phase of the Stone Age in which various developments took place and the lifestyles of early humans were totally changed. Now people started to settle down and they don't have to move from one place to another for search of food. They started farming and domesticating animals, which helped in getting milk products and meats. In Neolithic age, wheel was also invented and doing work was became easy. Stone tools were also improved and now they were made very sharp and smooth, and because of all these developments this age was also known as Neolithic revolution. So this was all about the Neolithic age. Now we will talk about what were the reasons because of which that Neolithic age was also called as Neolithic revolution. So the first thing was that humans started farming. The first farmers used very simple tools such as sticks, which they thrust into the ground to make holes and shallow channels for planting seeds. During this time, they began to make many different kinds of stone tools in new ways. Farming was difficult with the tools that they were using, so invention took place and new techniques were made for better farming. So new tools were needed to make agriculture more efficient and fruitful. Then, because of the farming, now the human don't have to move from one place to another for search of food. So they also started making houses which were permanent in nature. The first plant that they cultivated were wheat, barley, figs, oats, and tall grasses. Like nowadays, storage houses are meant to store the grains, fruits, and vegetables. In Neolithic age, granaries were made to store the grains so that it can be used for long period of time. Now the next thing was that people of Neolithic age started domesticating animals. So with the practice of farming, early humans also started to keep animals like cow, sheep, goats and dogs. And by domesticating animals, they used to get continuous supply of milk, meat and other dairy products. Animals were used for different purposes, like dogs were used to help them to find and kill wild animals. Dogs also used to guard their lands, and the goats and cows gave them milk. They also started keeping herds of sheep, goats, and cattle. They used camels and donkeys for riding and for carrying heavy things. They also killed animals when they need food, so they did not need to go hunting all the time. This meant that people always had meat to eat and milk to drink, as well as fur and skin to make clothes. Thus, the animals provided for many needs of the Neolithic men. And the third thing was that invention of wheel took place at the Neolithic age, and this was the major development in the Neolithic period. The earliest known use of the wheel was in Mesopotamian civilization. Before its invention, different methods were used to transport heavy objects. Logs of wood were used to roll heavy objects, and this method also permitted them to move heavy objects more quickly and competently and for longer distance. This led to the birth of the wheel. Wheels were used in carts for transportation and for the potter's wheel to make better pottery. Later on, the spinning wheel also came into use. Then the next invention was that pottery was improved in the Neolithic age. Pottery was made by hand with the help of potter's wheel and baked in bonfire so that it gets harder and ready to be used. Then the potteries were also used for storage need and cooking purposes. Like the use of pottery was quite common during the Neolithic age. Potters used their skills for making pots and containers to suit different needs like storing the grains, water, milk, food, and also for cooking and eating purposes. After some time, they also started decorating and creating design on the potteries. Early humans of Neolithic age knew how to select the right kind of clay, and a whole series of new crafts also made their appearances. And soon the potteries were used to be decorated and painted with different colors and designs. Then, Neolithic tools. In Neolithic age, the stone tools were improved by making them sharp, and their surfaces were made smooth, and it had a sharp cutting edge. They also started using of cells. The Neolithic age was characterized by tools with edges and that were sharpened by grinding instead of flaking. They were called cells, and cells were mostly used at that time. Then what were the different tools, important tools that were used in the Neolithic period? And that were axes, plows, sickles, which helped them in farming. Then the next thing is that they started using or building houses. Now the humans were not living nomadic lifestyle and they started living in houses to make them feel safe and comfortable. Mud houses were made with the plaster on the walls to make it hard so that it can be used for long time and people can live there in future for a longer period of time. People started living together and many houses were started to be made which formed a village. And this led to the starting of the social life. It started living in a group. When the human began to farm the land, they worked together and lived in groups and they started farming villages and tribes. People were assigned different tasks on the basis of their skills. Like some were engaged in work like farming, herding and weaving. And the people who were not in labor work used to take decisions relating to the welfare and the betterment of the tribe. The tribes have their own language, stories, songs, paintings, etc. And the ritual of burying the dead and many more different ceremonies took place. So students, this was it for today's video. In this video, we have done the revision of half of the chapter. And in the next video, that is in tomorrow's video, we will do the revision of the remaining chapter of chapter 3. Thank you.